The question is, a particle moves along a straight line such that its displacement at any time is given by s equal to t cube minus 6t square plus 3t plus 4 meter. Find the velocity when acceleration is 0. Okay, that is the question. So here you see displacement equal to t cube minus 6t square plus 3t plus 4. So velocity will be what? 3t square minus 12t plus 3 after differentiating it. So acceleration will be what? Acceleration will be, again you differentiate it, that is 6t minus 12. So this is the expression of velocity. This is the expression of acceleration. But the question is, you need to calculate the velocity when the acceleration is 0. So you find out the acceleration 0, you find out the time when acceleration is 0, okay? So 0 equal to 6t minus 12. So t equal to 2 seconds, means at t equal to 2 seconds, acceleration is 0. So you put it here, okay? So velocity will be what? 3 into 2 square minus 12 into 2 plus 3. So velocity equal to what? That will be minus 9. All are in SI, so meter per second. Because you see, velocity here, it is a function of time only, na? So you have to find out the corresponding time when the acceleration is 0. Okay, that is 2 seconds. So you put here, well, the expression of velocity, so you are going to get. So fourth option is the correct option.